Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG or a bitmap, whatever it is, and I've kind of already duplicated it because I wanted to make sure I could do it. And I did mine vertically. I'm going to do this one horizontally. I'm going to make a 2-point line. Then I'm going to get out the extrude tool. No, not the extrude tool, the distort tool. And I'm going to set this, well, I'm going to go to zipper. I'm going to set this on 90. And then I'm going to set this on 3. And that's what it did. It gave me 3 of these. Now I'm going to go right here to smooth distortion. And I get a wave. So I might be a little bit bigger than the other one. But what I need to do, and had a little problem figuring it out, everything's symmetrical. Everything's even. So when I duplicate it, I need to be exactly the same. So I thought, well, I'll just take the parallel dimension tool and measure it from right there to right there, and then we got 12.39. Well, if we change our nut factor to 12.39 and we duplicate it and we move it over, it's too far. So I thought, well, I need like 4 of them. So I'm going to take in 12.39 divided by 4, and now I got 3.08. And I control D and make a duplicate. And what that did, that gave me my symmetrical lines in here. Now, take it all, make it like a 1/2 inch thick, which is pretty close to that size. Go up to Object, convert the outlines to an object, left click, right click, left click fill, right click, left click, no fill, right click outline. And then all you have to do is just figure out, and I tried to duplicate, or I'm going to try to duplicate the colors aren't Corel colors, but I want to get this blue. And so just now take your virtual segment delete key. And once you start and you do blue here, so if you went over that one, you need to go under that one. And because we went under that one, we want to go over this one. Under, over. So just every time you go, just continue that same line and just think about you need to do just the opposite on each one. And then, so what, it's like an overpass of a car to me, and I'm just letting the bridge determine. I don't know why that line's doing that, but no, I did the opposite. I got 2 going under. So I want that to go over. Now, the good thing is you've already done some of them. So we're going to look at the red, and the red goes under there, and that's correct. The green goes over, and that's correct. But now we need to have this red go over this green. So now we're just going to take the red color and do the exact opposite. So it's not that much work. And see, that one's already done from the blue. So this needs to go under. This needs to go over. Whoop. Keep going to go under. We're already done there. We're going to go through here, and we need to go over it. And then under it. And it kind of almost fixes itself. And then you're just looking for ones that are crosshairs. And the only one we have is right here. And since this is going under, this one needs to go over. So if you don't have anything left that has got a double X, we can start filling in, and we're gonna go with let's go with the blue first, and then you just have to fill in that line. I don't know what this is for. I mean, they didn't continue it, but then change it to, let's go with the red next. And when you're filling in with a smart fill tool, just make sure you get, and a lot of times I would actually put a rectangle around this in case I hit outside the box, it won't leak too far. Then let's go with green. And as long as you put it in that crosshair, it should work. Okay, I missed one of the X's, see? So this one is going underneath that one, so it needs to go, well, then it would be 2 overs. There we go. Go back to the green. And see, we got a leak. So how to fix the leak sometimes, take this blue and nudge it out of the way. Then take your green back. Well, we need to nudge it a little bit further. And for some reason, it doesn't leak because that blue has something to do with it. Go back to the, so whenever you have a leak, oh, well, there's another double line. I didn't do so good. So we are over that one. We need to go under this one. So we'll go back to the green. I thought I got through those cutting out pretty quick because I hadn't done them all. Almost have it. See, I've got another leak. And what, I don't know why this does it, but if you take that and move that out of the way, I'm not looking at the keyboard. And then take your yellow. It doesn't leak. For some reason, that red or that color in that spot makes it or helps it leak sometime. Normally, it'll just do it like one time. Then take this and right-click no outline, and you've got that. Now, we're going to go ahead and put a box around it. Let's tell you what we're going to do. Let's group this together, Control-G. Let's take a rectangle. I'm going to put I don't like that brown. Make it black. Object, order, back of page. Now, the main reason for the video was to get these things evenly spaced out. That was my main objective, because anybody could, do the rest of it. Well, anybody can do all of it, but a little bit of math involved just to make it, because you want it perfectly equal. I don't know what their plans are with this, or if it's part of a logo or what. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.